Hi, baby. Hello. Well, I'm just sitting out here on my patio, burning the chicken. Had to speed it up a little bit. Oh, put a little more fire under it. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh yeah. I wish you were here. Oh Lord Jesus. Anyway, you wanted a sexy picture? I know for you a sexy picture is me cooking. So here's a sexy picture. Sexy video. I'm learning how to do this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be a real asando mexicano here pretty soon. Yeah, I think it's just about done. Don't want to dry it out. Just trying to get some color on it. Oh, there's no breeze to speak of, at least not here behind the house. So it's a little bit warm. Of course, I know you like it hot. So anyway, that's what's going on. I'm gonna stop the video, take my chicken off the fire. Well, I tell you, it just takes a little bit to give it any color. Oh, here we go. Yeah. See there? See how juicy that is? Not this, the chicken. All right, precious, it's done, and I don't want to burn it, so. I'll swap the camera around, show you one more. Oh, I can't swap the camera while it's recording, so you'll just have to look at it like that with me holding it. All right, that's it for now. I love